Here's a little update on the car since we went out to the drag strip here last Friday night. We noticed that we were running some really high temperatures on the car. My tuner, Lance Dagler of R&D Performance up in Michigan, he is the man on these LSAs. No doubt about it. Buy anything and everything from him. He's got lids when other people don't. He's got superchargers when other people don't. He's got all the fittings and everything, and he has the best #1 customer support there is around. The guy is very intelligent and knows everything there is to know about the stuff. Unbelievable. It's just great. And he informed me that we were running too hot, that we needed to do something different. All we were doing is running off of pump gas. And so now we've gone to a little bit of racing fuel. And part of our problem right here was the intake. And the intake here, we're going to move it and relocate it to its own box. And so that's coming. I've ordered some parts for it. But today we're going to talk about what's called Meth. That's right, prometh.com. That's going to be our little sponsor for today, is ProMeth. The guy to talk to at ProMeth is Rod, is his name. Very knowledgeable fella. He is very, very nice and pleasant to talk to on the phone. He is setting up a system just for our car, just for what we have, very detailed. And what we're getting is, we're getting the lid kit. It is a meth injection that goes right into the lid. And you can look every bit of this up online. And then also we're going to get a kit that's similar to this one right here, but ours is getting custom built. It's going to be similar to this one where it has the pump inside of the tank itself. But you can say it's going to look something like this, and we're going to put this in the trunk and we're going to be running meth. Now, a lot of people say, hey, John, don't be doing drugs. We're not doing drugs. We're doing meth, the liquid meth for the vehicle, so that we can get lower temperatures, so that we can have more power. And that's what it's all about, more power. So we're giving you all a little bit of update on what's coming, and what's being ordered, and what's going to be on its way here tomorrow. I'm letting you all know about Lance at R&D Performance, and then I'm also letting you know about Rod at ProMeth. So if y'all have any questions, hit me up, write in the comments, give us some advice, let us know what you think would help. All I know is that we're trying to get this thing ready in about 15 days so that we can take it to Kansas, to Topeka, Kansas, to the Impala Nationals. All right, thank you guys. Like and share and subscribe, and we'll keep you all updated on the next video of what's happening. And you'll be seeing this. I'm not going to tell you times from the track. I'm just going to let you know that we're way, way, way faster than what we used to be, but we have a whole lot more to go, and we can get faster with the help of these guys, Rod and Lance. Thank you guys. Talk to y'all later. Have a good day.